Okay, so it is possible, my son, to share these salary ranges when we get a job from Malaysia to Japan as a fresher. Then how much salary we can expect?
So it depends because in my opinion, the basic salary they offer is around.
And last question is, my son, could you please, so what is our audience who are still students or some from professional working? They wanna do job in Japan and they're from in different countries from Asia. Then for getting job in Japan, what should they do in the first step? So how you get the job in Japan? Like when you are living in Malaysia and you are still a student, then how you get the job in Japan from Malaysia?
So once you have participated in Asia to Japan program, either entry or basic N4 N5, you are required to finish the courses with them.
So I can say if you know the Japanese very well, and if you are not so good in your technical terms, then after you can get the job in Japan, right?
Yeah, even if because when I attended the job interview, of course, if you have the technical skill, it will be an added advantage. But
So hi guys, today we have my son from Malaysia. She is still a student, but she has a offer from Japan. So in this video, we are going to talk about if you are still a student and you want to do job abroad, like Japan, then how you can get job offer as a student. So in this video, we are going to talk about this, and I hope this video will definitely helpful for you if you are thinking to do job in Japan. So before starting the video, please like and then let's start the video. Thank you so much, Mazaya-san, for coming. Our audience wants to know about you.
okay, thank you so much for inviting me. My name is Mai Sarah, and I'm from Malaysia. I graduated from University Technical Melaka, Malaysia, majoring in computer science, computer networking. So currently, I'm waiting for my visa and graduation ceremony to be completed before I fly to Japan. But before I fly next year, I'll be starting working remotely in October as a system engineer.
Wow, so amazing. So Mazaya-san, why you choose ACT Japan?
So I've, to be honest, when I got into university, I've never heard about Asia to Japan. But I've always been someone who likes anime and read a lot of manga. So I thought maybe, instead of watching anime without understanding the subtitles, I wanted to improve my Japanese language. That was my first goal. So when I got into university, I took basic Japanese class under my university, but then I felt like it was not enough because you know how university courses they only provide basic courses. So until one day, my Japanese instructor at the time, Izam Sensei, he introduced me to this fast offer program, and I was still in my first year at the time. I decided to join the interview with them, and I finished 2 courses, and I even took the Japanese language proficiency test last year.
Oh, nice. So how you get the job in Japan? Like when you are living in Malaysia and you are still a student, then how you got the job in Japan from Malaysia?
So once you have participated in Asia to Japan program, either entry or basic N4 N5, you are required to finish the courses with them so that you can improve your Japanese language. Basically, they are preparing for your Japanese language so you can improve before they send you to Japan. So after about a year and a half of joining the program, I decided to take JLPT test and 4 tests, and I passed. And then after I finished my JLPT entry courses, they started sending me consultation email where I will have some sort of consultation session with Asia to Japan staff about what kind of job do I want to do in Japan, what is my expected salary, what kind of city that I want to live if in Japan, and then do I have any restrictions or anything. So the consultation session will be ongoing until they decided that okay, your Japanese is speakable like with the interviewers, and then
Yeah.
will ask me to prepare the documents, and they will send me to Japan. Yeah, that's how
Oh,
it
wow.
was for me. Yeah.
So I can say if you know the Japanese very well, and if you are not so good in your technical terms, then after you can get the job in Japan, right?
Yeah, even if because when I attended the job interview, of course, if you have the technical skill, it would be an added advantage. But honestly, what they wanted to see more is how you present yourself, your personality. They want to know what kind of person are they going to work with. So my advice is if you don't really have technical skills or you're not really like an expert at something, just make sure that you are presentable. Like they just want to know your personality. Just be yourself. Yeah, it's okay if you're not good.
Yeah, so please. And so we can say when you were in your college first year, yeah, your teacher introduced about Asia to Japan, and you joined the Asia to Japan in first year, and you have completed two courses. And then after completing two courses, means Japanese language courses, then Asia to Japan helps you to get the job, right? And now
Yes.
you have a job offer. That's so
Yes.
amazing. And after when you landed in Japan, what was your first impression?
I was excited and scared at the same time because I was the only student from Malaysia at the time who
Uh-huh.
because it was my first time going abroad. I had no experience in the plane at all. So I was so excited that they sponsored everything for me and they even arranged the accommodation so you don't have to be afraid. Be excited, but don't be afraid. That was my first impression. I was very excited.
Is someone coming from Asia to Japan? Which thing we need to take care?
So of course, as you know, that Japan is very strict about rubbish. They don't really you can't really throw rubbish anywhere because they keep their rubbish with them and then they will throw it at their home. So that's the thing I think you should be careful of. Don't throw rubbish anywhere, just anywhere. And then in the train, people don't really talk, so it's a respectful way to ride the train. You shouldn't really talk loudly or call someone in the train. So those are the things that
Need to take care. Yeah.
yeah, you just take care of. Yeah.
Okay. So it is possible, myself and to share the salary ranges when we get job from Malaysia to Japan as a fresher, and how much salary we can expect.
So it depends because in my opinion, the basic salary they offer is around 2,000 yen. That's
Per month.
actually yeah per month. You can discuss the salary range with your Asia to Japan staff because they will be asking for your expected salary and the place that you're willing to work. So I think for a starter salary, that's actually a pretty good deal.
Yeah. Correct. We can expect, and then we can tell our expectation. And if
Yes,
it
that
is
will
better,
help.
then they can increase.
Yes, exactly.
And last question is, myself, if is the what is our audience who are still students or some from professional working, they wanna do job in Japan, and they're from in different countries from Asia. Then for getting job in Japan, what should they do in a first step?
Okay, so basically, Asia to Japan, they not only provided classes, right? They provide a platform for you to attend the interview. So if you are really looking forward to work in Japan, maybe you can reach out their platform first. That's what I would say. And sometimes they have this kind of seminar where they introduce their program. You can check their Instagram fast offer page, or you can just Google their website, fast offer website as well. And then usually they will update on these two platforms about job offer or about seminars that they are having. So you can just register there, or maybe you can just straight away ask, because in Instagram, um, there are staff who will handle it. There are staff who will reply to your requests and any questions that you guys want to ask. So from once you have registered for the course, either basic course or intermediate course, you will have to attend for about, I would say, about five months, and then depending on your level of speaking, at least they want to see that you can converse in Japanese, so that of course when you want to attend an interview in Japan, you need to be able to speak, right? And
Yeah.
they want you to at least able to speak even without JLPT. It's okay once I would say once the consultation is once you've passed the consultation with Asia to Japan, meaning that they can see that you can speak, you're almost finished with your studies, you're ready to go to Japan. So they will ask you to prepare a few documents, and then they will submit to the companies. And once you have received feedbacks from the companies, some students receive one feedback, some students receive 3 replies from the company, and some even receive 6 replies from the companies. Yeah, so depending on how many replies that you get, and then if you get more than 3, usually they will send you to Japan to attend the interview physically.
More than 3.
Yeah, but then I've had a friend of mine, he just received one interview offer, but he was still sent to Japan to attend the interview physically.
Depends on the company. Yeah.
Yeah, depends on the company. And after that you don't have to worry about the process, because Asia to Japan staff will help you along the way from A to Z. You don't have to be scared. Just be ready. That's why.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's great. Thank you so much, Masara-san. Your journey is so inspirational and so amazing. And I hope this video finds helpful to our audience. If you feel like them, if you feel helpful, and please like, share with your needed friend. Thank you so much, Masara-san. Again.
Thank you too for inviting me.